I had went to look for a car for my daughter, and I was looking online, and I had seen one of the local Nissan dealerships had a deal. So of course went down there to check it out, test drove it, and once I got inside, he says, by the way, there's added fees onto it. So once we started talking numbers, there was $2,800 that was added on. And I told him, nope, don't agree with that. I didn't ask you to put that on there. And he says it comes with the deal. So ended up walking out and looking again and talked to Tony. And of course, what was online was what I paid for the car. So of course I had to go with the deal. Service was fantastic. Everyone that I interacted with during the whole experience was wonderful, very friendly. But I like the fact that what I had seen online was what I paid for, unlike many other dealerships. It was very, very easy. It was very quick. Like, I felt like I was only at the dealership for maybe even an hour. So I walked in and brought the car around, test drove it. We talked numbers, went to finance, did that paperwork, and we were out the door in maybe a little over an hour. So it was very quick, which was very good versus some of the other ones. I felt I didn't have to haggle, which that I liked. So what was there was exactly what I paid. And that's probably the first time in my 20-something years of buying a car that I did not have to negotiate. And it was actually quite nice. So my name is Mary, and I love my Chastang Ford experience.